Hello guys, welcome to our next video, and to this video we are going to create a program using our NetBeans IDE. So let's get started. So open natin yung NetBeans. Hintayin lang natin mag-open. So ito po yung NetBeans IDE, ito po yung interface niya. So dito merong file, pwede natin i-click to mag-create ng bagong project. Ito pag open ng project, at ito yung pag-create ng bagong file. Dito makita natin edit, view, navigate, source, format, like that, then refactor, run, debug, profile, theme, tools, Windows helps. And to create our first project, we will go to this file and click natin yung new project, then select natin yung Java, and then click natin yung Java application, and then hit next, and then yung file name natin, pangalan natin ng main. So ito yung file name natin, and then finish. So ito na po yung code natin. So ayan, so meron ditong package main, public class main, so public static void main. So ito yung method. So gagawa tayo ng mag-print tayo ng hello world. Dapat nakapaloob yan sa dalawang quotation. So pagkatapos natin type dito, click natin yung, pwede natin i-right click tapos run file, or i-click natin itong play button or run project. Hintayin lang natin, nag-run pa siya. So yun, ito yung output niya, hello world. So bali pinalabas din, ito yung output. So kung ano yung nakalagay dito, ito yung lumalabas. So pag palitan natin ng VHF, so yan, pag run natin ulit, so ito po yung lumalabas. So ayan, so we have this main method. Ito po yung main method. This is required, no? And you will see it in every program, no? In Java program. So ito po yun, ito yan. So ito yung main method natin. So every mag-run ka ng Java, so dapat mayroong main method. Ito naman is inside ng main method. So, nakita nyo, ito ay inside ng dalawang curly brace. So ito po yung method na, ito po yung syntax rather na mag-print ng isang string. So this is a print line of text on the screen to print string in the screen. So ito po yung nilabas niya after mag-execute. So ayun, yung system naman is built-in Java class that contains useful members. So ito yung members niya, out. So which is short for output. Out for output. Then ito naman yung print line is isang method siya na ibig sabihin niya ay short for print line. Print print ln, nakita nyo, print, tapos may ln line, new line, print line. So this is used to print a value to the screen or a file. So don't worry, no, kasi magagamit natin ito sa ating mga Java tutorial in this series. So wag natin kalimutan yung semicolon sa bawat linya ng ating code. So in Java, dapat mag end ng semicolon yung mga line of codes natin. So ayan, run natin ulit. Okay, palitan natin ng hello world. Run. Pwede natin i-right click natin yung file tapos run. Or pwede natin i-click yung control F6. Ito. Shift F6 pala. Shift F6. Shortcut. So ayan. So that's all for this video, guys, and I hope this is a way of learning, and thank you for watching. See you on the next video.